Alright guys, in this video we're going to take a 12AX7 Guang, no name Chinese tube, and we're going to compare it to a JJ ECC83S. I'm going to be going through this kind of hot rodded Tweed Champ clone with 10-inch Alnico speaker, vintage 1966. Okay, let's get it on. Check this out. If we look inside of these, you can see there's a very high difference in the way that this JJ's plate is made and this no-name China plate. It's kind of smaller and flatter, as where the JJ is like broader and wrap around. It's going to catch a lot more electrons. The JJ is a high gain, hand selected, low noise. The first triode's 100 factor of amplification and the second triode's 105. Plug it in. Turn it on. That is all the way up. There's no sound. Now let's plug the cable into it. Nothing. There. Now turn on with the cheap Chinese tube. I do notice a little flickering of the bulb. I can hear a tiny bit of noise, not much. This is 12AX7, volume 4, neck pickup. Okay. Bridge pickup. Well, just my own self, I find it being a little bit more noisier. It has more highs, but it don't rock. You know what I'm saying? Yep, that's just a more cleaner sound, less rocking. Well guys, that just about does it for this short video. The only difference I could find between the tubes is that the 12AX7 had more high end, it was clear, while the JJ was a little muffled, but it had a lot more gain, and it was dead silent. I could hear a tiny bit of hum with the Guang, but the JJ was absolutely dead silent, as it should have been. Tube Depot's hand selected it to be high gain and low noise. But you guys got ears, so I'll let you decide what you think. Neither one of them sucked a bag of salt and vinegar flavored dicks or anything, so pretty much personal preference. If you found this entertaining or educational in any way, maybe subscribe. I'm Clementine. Till next time.